In contemporary business landscapes, especially as we approach 2026, the paradigm of growth has shifted fundamentally. Profitability is no longer anchored by initial sales, but by what is termed expansion revenue, the recursive act of deepening the value cultivated within each customer relationship. This narrative constructs a holistic guide through the pillars of modern value expansion, demonstrating how cross-selling and upselling transcend transactional gestures and become a disciplined, strategic architecture. The first scene focuses on cross-selling, reframed from a superficial proposition to an intelligent, user-centric solution. Imagine the enterprise as a system of interconnected needs. A SaaS company observes an uptick in adoption of its SEO tool among medium-sized e-commerce businesses. Instead of indiscriminately promoting an array of unrelated services, the company undertakes a diagnostic approach. They deploy analytics, mapping the workflows of these users, and discover that pain points often migrate sequentially from SEO optimization to content production, then to link building. Cross-selling thus becomes an exercise in choreography. Introduction of a new tool solves the next logical problem, embedding the customer deeper in the ecosystem and solidifying platform loyalty. Next, we are introduced to the mechanics of value-tier segmentation, the backbone of scalable expansion. Traditional pricing models falter when met with dynamic customer growth. Therefore, innovative organizations introduce success-based tiers. Picture a subscription management dashboard where the pricing module is not static but adjusts according to tangible growth signals: number of active users, data processed, revenue milestones. The product's architecture anticipates and responds to expansion triggers automatically, presenting tier upgrades as seamless ascents rather than burdensome leaps. The Goldilocks principle is operative. Tiers are crafted such that moving to a higher level feels proportionate and organic, fostering psychological comfort. The when of upselling is as critical as the what, so our narrative now explores the importance of timing offers at pivotal moments in the user journey. A SaaS company employs telemetry to track user progression. Instead of barrage during onboarding, expansion offers are held back. The company exploits usage triggers. When a user hits their storage quota or completes their 100th successful transaction, a context-aware prompt surfaces, unveiling a pro feature just in time. This method, referred to as just-in-time expansion, harnesses the motivational energy of a user's milestone, turning the upsell into an intuitive next-step reward. Net revenue retention, NRR, emerges as the vital metric underpinning this architecture. Its power lies in its capacity to quantify expansion. A robust NRR, greater than 110%, signals that existing customers are amplifying their investment. Instead of perpetually stoking the fires of customer acquisition, the company witnesses negative churn, the phenomenon wherein expansion revenue outpaces losses from cancellations. Here, the business approaches the ideal of self-perpetuating growth. Expansion becomes not just an outcome, but the engine. Finally, product packaging is reconsidered, foregrounding the subtle art of incentivizing natural upgrades. The base tier is intentionally generous, establishing trust and utility. Yet, feature fencing delineates high-impact capabilities just beyond its reach. Users are never forced so much as gently nudged. When a pain point emerges and the solution sits within a premium tier, the transition feels like unlocking potential, not circumventing a constraint. In sum, well-conceived packaging makes upgrading a logical evolution, the path of least resistance and a sign of progress. Through these strategically timed, user-centric, data-backed maneuvers, value expansion is elevated. It is not merely selling more, but architecting lasting relationships where growth is mutual, friction is minimized, and the business's profitability is sustained by the confident momentum of its existing clients.